Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. The 1957 Dodge Coronet is a perfect example of how American automobiles evolved during the late 1950s, a time when style, power, and optimism shaped every new car design. Dodge introduced the Coronet as a full-size model that blended everyday practicality with bold futuristic exterior styling. This was the height of the forward look era, led by legendary designer Virgil Exner, and the Coronet reflected that vision with dramatic proportions and jet-inspired details that made it stand out on the road. At first glance, the exterior of the 1957 Dodge Coronet makes a powerful statement. The car sits lower and wider than previous Dodge models, giving it a more aggressive and modern presence. The tall, sharply defined tailfins rise proudly from the rear, symbolizing the jet age influence that dominated American design at the time. At the front, the wide chrome grille stretches across the nose, framed by quad headlights that add depth and character to the car's face. Thick chrome bumpers and trim pieces were used generously, emphasizing luxury and confidence. The long hood and flowing side lines create a sense of motion, while two-tone paint schemes allowed owners to choose eye-catching color combinations that made the Coronet even more visually striking. Interior. Moving inside, the 1957 Dodge Coronet offers a cabin that feels both stylish and inviting. The interior was designed to accommodate families and long-distance travel, with wide bench seats that could comfortably seat up to 6 passengers. Upholstery options included cloth and vinyl materials, often finished in two-tone patterns that mirrored the exterior colors. The dashboard featured a sleek, horizontal design with a large central speedometer and clearly marked gauges, all accented by chrome and polished surfaces. One of the most futuristic features was the push-button PowerFlite automatic transmission, mounted on the dashboard instead of a traditional floor or column shifter. This innovative system added to the car's high-tech feel and was a major talking point for Dodge at the time. The spacious cabin, large windows, and excellent visibility made driving the Coronet a relaxed and enjoyable experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 1957 Dodge Coronet offered a wide range of engine options to suit different drivers. Buyers looking for reliability and efficiency could choose an inline-six engine, while performance enthusiasts had access to Dodge's powerful V8 lineup. The Red Ram V8 provided strong everyday performance, while the Super Red Ram V8 delivered even more power and excitement. In high-performance configurations, horsepower figures exceeded 300, which was impressive for a full-size sedan of the era. Paired with either a manual transmission or the smooth-shifting PowerFlite automatic, the Coronet offered confident acceleration and strong highway cruising ability. While handling was tuned more for comfort than sharp cornering, the suspension absorbed road imperfections well, making the car ideal for long trips and daily driving alike. Driving the 1957 Dodge Coronet was about smoothness and presence rather than outright sportiness. The car's substantial size and weight contributed to a stable, planted feel on the road. Power steering and power brakes were available, making the Coronet easier to handle despite its large dimensions. On the open highway, the V8 engines delivered effortless cruising, while the cabin remained quiet and comfortable for passengers. The Coronet was designed to be a car that looked impressive parked in the driveway and felt confident and dependable on long journeys. In today's classic car world, the 1957 Dodge Coronet is highly appreciated for its distinctive styling and historical significance. Collectors admire its bold tailfins, chrome-heavy design, and connection to the forward-look era. Well-preserved examples and restored models are often seen at car shows, where they draw attention for their unique design and period-correct details. While it may not be as widely recognized as some competitors from the same era, the Coronet holds a special place among classic Dodge enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 1957 Dodge Coronet is a true reflection of 1950s American ambition and creativity. Its dramatic exterior styling, comfortable and spacious interior, and powerful engine options made it a standout full-size car in its time. Decades later, it continues to capture the imagination of classic car fans who appreciate bold design and timeless V8 performance. The Coronet is not just a car, but a rolling piece of automotive history that represents an era when bigger, bolder, and brighter defined the American road.